Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, review.
Let the fuel fly. Blue Alliance, second to quick second. Here comes Red Alliance right back at him. Red Alliance, Blue Alliance. Fuel everywhere. Human players, very accurate from outside. It's close, it's close, it's close. Red with the advantage. That hub's about to transition over to the Blue Alliance in a few seconds. You see the blinking. All right, here comes Blue Alliance. Autobots, Cycle Breakers, trying to get in position, but there's some defense by the Robonauts. All right, here comes Autobots coming back. Here comes Cycle Breakers trying to get a few fuel into the robot to come back around, but it's blinking. Coming back over to the Red Lines. Orange Dynamite with a plethora of fuel going into the hub. 58-29 playing defense on the Robonauts. Oh, they're losing some parts. Meanwhile, the red blinking going back over to an active hub for the Blue Alliance. Cycle Breakers was ready. Human players were ready. It's a close match. It's very close. Look at Cycle Breakers. Man, they're going after it. Meanwhile, 118 has been hit pretty badly in the front. They're trying to get over. Here they come with a barrage, red. Orange Dynamite helping the cause. It's like a popcorn machine. They're opening up a lead. What is the Blue Alliance going to do? And Robonauts is coming back. Here comes Orange Dynamite. All right, end game, 30 seconds. Both hubs are active. Let's go! Blue Alliance, think of the human players. They mean business. Cycle Breakers. Here comes Orange Dynamite on the Red Alliance. Robonauts going for a level 3 climb on the tower. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time! What a match! What do we have? Show me! Red Alliance! $232 to $132. So introducing your McAllen District event, inaugural event, champions, Alliance 1.